Tonight, the Kings County District Attorney's Office is in the final stage of reuniting two Hanford children with their mother after the kids were abducted by their father. Action News anchor Corey James explains how investigators have been working for more than a year to bring them back home.
I have two boys. I couldn't imagine not seeing him for 15 minutes, let alone a year.
It was in November of 2016 when a Hanford mother of two walked through the Kings County Child Abduction Unit's doors.
Her children had been wrongfully abducted. The mother was definitely very distraught.
Managing District Attorney Philip Esbenshade says those children, now ages 8 and 9, were kidnapped by their father. Authorities are not releasing his identity, but tell us he took them some nearly 2,000 miles away to Michoacan, Mexico, where he had been staying.
Our investigator worked with the mother here to complete an application which was sent to the Attorney General's office. The State Attorney General's office worked with Mexican authorities.
The case between two countries was then handled under the Hague Convention. It is a civil treaty and allows for the expedited return of children wrongfully abducted or retained in other countries.
On these type of cases, the treaty is so straightforward that it's really not a challenge as long as we get the paperwork done.
After a year-long process involving court proceedings, Friday the DA's office got the news it had been waiting for.
Early this morning, our investigators from the Kings County District Attorney's Office crossed the border into Mexico and successfully recovered the children.
Esbenshade says right now the children are with 3 investigators and an investigative assistant.
I've seen photographs of the children, and they appear to be real happy and healthy and anxious to get home.
A reunion that will happen before the start of next week. In Hanford, Corey James, ABC 30 Action News.